Mila? What time is it?
It is 7:30. Oh, it is still early. Today is Sunday. I want to sleep more. But I am hungry, Luke. My tummy is rumbling. Okay. Let's go wake up Mom. She can make breakfast for us. Mila, walk slowly. Mom and Dad are still sleeping. Oh, Mom is very tired.
Hey! Let's surprise Mom and Dad.
Surprise? How? Let's go to the kitchen. We can make breakfast ourselves. Yes! Let's go! Wow! The kitchen is big! What are we making, Luke? We are making banana pancakes. It's Mom's favorite. Yay! Pancakes! I love pancakes. What is the first step? Step 1, peel the bananas. Can you do it, Mila? Peel. Look, Luke, it's done.
Great job! You are a super helper. Now, step 2. Mash the bananas.
Mash? What do I use? Use this plastic fork. Press it down. Mash. Wow, it is soft now. Perfect. You are doing great. I want that big bowl. Stop, Mila! Don't touch that! Oh, what's wrong, Luke? Don't touch that glass bowl. It is too high and it can break. Oh, I'm sorry. Glass is dangerous, right? Yes, glass is fragile and sharp. It can hurt your hands. Huh? I don't want to hurt my hands. Good. Use this plastic bowl instead. It is safe. Thank you, Luke. You are a smart brother. Now, let's mix. Now I will add the eggs and flour into the bananas. Mix. Mix in a circle. Look at the batter. It smells so sweet.
I smell something delicious. Is it banana?
Surprise! Happy Sunday, Mom!
Oh my goodness! Look at these beautiful pancakes! Did you make them?
Yes! Luke and I are the little kitchen helpers. We peeled, we mashed, and we mixed everything. And we were very safe. We didn't touch the glass bowl.
Wow, thank you so much, my little angels. You are an amazing team.
Wow! What a wonderful surprise! The house smells like a bakery.
Dad! Come eat with us.
Delicious! The pancakes are so soft and sweet. You two did a great job.
Thank you, Dad. We worked as a team today.
That's right, Luke. Teamwork makes everything fast and fun. I am very proud of my family.
Working together in the kitchen is so much fun.
Do you help your mom and dad cook breakfast? What is your favorite food? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English stories.
Goodbye. See you next time.